How to redeem Roblox gift card on mobile. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can redeem Roblox gift card. Now, you cannot redeem a Roblox gift card directly within the mobile app. For that, you must use a web browser. So go ahead and launch open whichever web browser you want. I'm going to open Chrome. Now, you need to head over to roblox.com/redeem. Here, you'll be prompted to log into your account, so make sure that you do that. After that, this interface will appear. Here, you need to enter your gift card, virtual item, or promo code below. Tap on this box, go ahead and enter your code. After that, tap on the redeem option. If the code you've entered is correct, it will be successfully redeemed, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.